Hi guys, so I have come, so this guy I know called Josh said to come to this wild swimming spot. It's pissing down with rain, so it's not really the best time.